Hello everybody, today we will start the second layer of our project with you. We created our entities in our first layer. Next, we have our data access layer. Let's create a new layer. Right click on solution and add new project. Select the new class library option. This. Next, project name is Foody.data access layer. Okay, next, and create button. Good. Delete this class. Okay, our layer has been created. Let's talk about the first. I will use screenshot program. Okay, choose black. What is data access layer ampersand and why is it used? Why is it used? Okay. The data access layer is the second layer among the four layers. What's four layers? 1. Entity layer. 2. Data access layer. 3. Business layer. And 4. Presentation or API layer. Okay. Data access layer provides change to color. Data access layer provides connection operations, CRUD operations, so create, read, update and delete operations, and some other operations are performed in the data access layer. Provides and our layers. Okay. Our data access layer will include the following. Context address, interfaces, our design pattern. So we will use repository design pattern. I will explain repository design pattern. Entity specific methods. What is entity specific methods? For example, we will need to write a method related to products to find out how many melons are left in our product table. Or another example, for the query that returns the last 4 reviews in our review table, we need to prepare a method specific to the review table. Create our folders on our layer data access. I will explain all of these folders. First, we created folder. First, abstract. I will explain abstract folders. Second, concrete folders. Third, repositories. I will explain repositories folders. Fourth, context. I will explain context folders. And finally, fifth, entity framework. Okay. Our folders are ready. Now we need to install our packages. These packages will provide SQL. Turkish means SQL, English means SQL. SQL and migration operations. Pay attention here. These packages need to be included in all layers, but they don't need to be installed in all layers. When layers reference each other, packages will also be added as references. Thus, when the first layer is referenced to the second layer, our second layer will be able to use the package in the first layer. Remember, we will have 4 layers. What were they? Entity layer, data access layer, business layer, and presentation layer. I think that's enough. We will continue from here. Next lesson we will include our packets in our layers. I request you to comment under the video. I have shared approximately 2,500 videos on YouTube. I produced a lot of Turkish resources. Now I want and hope to expand into foreign markets and have these videos watched by foreigners. I hope I can be successful. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day.